How do I change this? This. There we go. All right. Mistakes are being made with caffeine. Okay, so what I gotta do here, I don't even think I do have Unity Hub installed. Oh, I see. So what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna have to sign in over here. Sick. Oh, I do have it here. Oh, dope. Okay, I haven't tried to run this in a very long time. Go like this. Now it's gonna be weird. I haven't used Unity in a very long time. So I'm going to be very lost here. But it should be fine. Should be fine. We should be good. So what we need to do is we need to like run through the entire game and figure out what actually needs to be done. I also don't have like a main scene, do I? Let me go to on the other thing, do I even have Rider installed? I do. Oh, sick. This probably has like the bugged version of my code. Most likely. Make sure JetBrains Rider is installed in Unity's package manager. 25.2.01 is set as the external script editor. Okay, 25.2.01. Let's just check that real quick. I think that's all in the same spot. Oh my god. Look at how slow this is. Project settings, maybe? There is a package manager too, but wait, project settings, editor, not the right editor. Not the right editor. I'm trying to remember where this is. It's not in project settings. It's in regular settings. In preferences. I'm pretty sure. Well, one thing that I do like about Unity so far is it seems to, outside of the menus being laggy as shit, it seems to respond to grabbing windows and resizing with the window manager with i3 much better than Godot does. Has nothing to do with 2D. External tools. Aha. There we go. Cool. And then the other thing that I was looking for was in build configuration. Oh my god, dude. These menus are slow as shit. It's under edit. I think the shortcut key is Control Shift B. Yeah, there it is. Build settings. Main menu. Okay. So that is kind of like the main thing here. So yeah, learn about Unity build automation. Because like, so one thing I liked about Godot is Godot, I was able to build for all three platforms, all from my Linux machine, all from my Mac, which is crazy. Like that is a very cool feature. Yeah, this can only do the platform, or maybe I have to install the other ones somehow. What's player settings? This has to change. It's not one big function anymore. It's small indie. Right? Right. The other thing I should do is go Unity, sorry, IntelliJ. Now JetBrains Toolbox. Make sure I'm on the most up-to-date version of Rider here. Which I'm not. I'm on 25.201 and the latest is 25.3.3. Yeah, okay, sure. We can update all of those. And we'll have to change stuff again after, most likely. But that's okay. I think that's mostly it. Oh, build and run. Make a new folder called build. x86-64, yep. Oh my god. I forgot how long compiling everything in Unity takes, dude. I think that's like one of the things that killed me a lot about Unity was the workflow. But since I've spent some time now away from Unity, I'm hoping that I'll find like better, faster ways to work with it. Also doesn't help that this computer is pretty old. So this computer's an i7, but let's do cat proc CPU info. We're on, that's not terrible though. It's an 8th gen i7. It's a throttled i7 though. At 2.2 gigahertz. How many cores is that? CPU family 6. Oh. Oh, cool. There's the game. Oh, it cannot be resized. Actually, don't know what's going on here. Oh gosh, it's so bugged. It's so bugged. Oh my god. Is it because it's not done or something? I don't know. Post-process player. I don't know what that means. And I can't cancel this either. The other thing, right? The other thing to consider here is that it is possible. Is it going to build from scratch? No. Okay. That's cool. Oh my gosh, it's so fudged. Oh. Enter. The Shuriken dude just flying across the screen randomly. Okay, so there's a couple of things going on here. Number one. Oh, dude, oh shit. Okay, good, good. I was trying to close this screen, but it doesn't seem to close. There doesn't seem to be a way to close this. I legitimately don't know how to close this. Oh, because this thing's in the way. Yeah, incremental player build. I don't know what's going on here. So that'll be an issue to fix when we get to it. We could if we want to try to upgrade this to a newer version of Unity because some time has passed. Like, let's take a quick look at about Unity. 2022. Oh my gosh, that's how old this project is. 2022 3.29. Right, so yeah, like maybe I should just bite the bullet and upgrade this project because it's been going on for too long now. I also don't know how to close this window. There we go. Okay. I think Windows key Shift Q is like my Alt F4, right, on Windows. Doesn't that go down more? Ah. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, that's fair. That is totally fair. Okay, so whatever, brah. So let's open the main menu scene. Oh my gosh. How do I zoom the heck out? I legit don't know how to zoom out. Dude, what? I haven't really done a ton of work in Unity on Linux, so to be fair, this is all kind of new to me. Maybe it was just always like that. So I don't know why my character's not showing up. So the other thing we're gonna do here is let's look at, sorry, Control K. Oh, that's just for committing. Git. Wait, for Git, there's a whole tab on the side, right? This one. Oh. I don't even know how to cancel this. Get rid of this. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Dude, the last commit was in 2024. Okay, so I know that can't be right. No kidding. So the other thing I need to do, is sync thing running? No, sync thing is not running. So what I'm gonna do is we have to add another folder, the sync thing. Maybe I should just add my entire code directory. I don't know, instead of having to add each project individually. Or maybe I create like a synced code folder specifically. So let me go to the other computer here real quick. I think I have to add it from here. Yeah, unshared. That's why I have to share it. There we go. Okay. Sick. So, oh, the other thing, actually, I probably should have done it from here. Probably should have done it from there, but that's okay. I can git pull. No. Okay. So, your local change will be okay. I don't even know what changes those are. Okay. Right. Okay, cool. And then I think, is that right? Am I supposed to also ignore the sync thing folder? I think so. Git ignore sync thing. Sync thing uses git ignore stignore files. No, you should not add .st folder to git ignore. That was essential for sync thing to function. Do not ignore or delete it. So if I don't ignore it, that means I should add it, right? No, you should not add it to your repository. Yeah, so we're going to ignore it. That's a stupid, stupid AI solution. Go like this. Yeah. All right. There we go, bruh. Okay. Now it really shouldn't have much to... I shouldn't have much to sync because I just added... I just pulled the Git repo. So it should be the same. Let's go over to Unity and try running the game again. Okay, yeah, now everything seems to be working. So one thing I already don't like, I don't like the jumping. The gravity is too much. It's too hard to control this. It's way too hard to control this. Yeah, I'm remembering all the kind of issues, oops, that I had before. Am I the best pixel artist in the world or what? Okay, so it actually seems like a lot of stuff is working now, which is good. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably go through, show this over here. Let's make a new workspace over here called number 4. I'll open up my notes and we're gonna start a new project for Shninja, and we're gonna start tracking some of the stuff that needs to be done. Now there's also some people doing mind map in Obsidian, right? This plugin you can easily explore relationships between ideas and concepts in your notes. So like, let's just look real quick. Microsoft Loop Task Management, Task List versus Kanban Board Explained. Scrum versus Kanban, Kanban Project Management. New in Microsoft Loop. Don't know what Microsoft Loop is. Scrum versus Kanban. These are like, what? Gantt? What? Productivity with mind mapping, Kanban integration. There's between Kanban and Scrum. Manage tasks and projects. Kanban board. Best project management software for small teams in 2026. This seems more interesting. Also, oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that makes more sense. I gotta mute this guy. I love him so much, but I gotta mute him. The Japanese guy I was playing games with this morning is still live streaming in the background. So we gotta listen to this again. Oh, sick. Hmm. Product. Huh. Oh, I see. Whiteboard, bullet journal, or rewritten daily list. Notion seems pretty good. What the heck even is Notion? I've heard of it. Wait, nothing. Nothing. To do is Trello. Or as we click up, not sure. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. This is 0. Don't know what that means. Oh. You are shitting on Asana. I've heard that name too. You know, I don't think I need to watch this because I'm not going to use any of the tools you talked about. Right? Not really looking for that. Let's look at mind mind map for task management. Friction pens. Yeah. Let's just see what this guy has to say. Oh, this is pretty good. This is really well organized. Interesting. That's true. I can also mind map with CalDraw, right? Which might look nicer than the mind map plugin. Hmm? This is how he's using color. Yeah, what did he say? Erase. I mean, we could try it. Like, I think it's probably a good idea. Oh my gosh. Probably a good idea to uh start with the mind map. Oh, it looks like I already have it installed. Mark map. Okay. So how do I make one? Yeah, okay. You could open a mind map preview in a current node with a command. Mind. Okay. Uh oh, this might be some thing that I need to learn. Okay, so let's try that. Oh, YouTube. Okay, mind map. Oh, this looks like Excalibur now. Maybe not. Oh, it's Excalibur plugin. think my sound's starting to crap out. So that's interesting, but that's for Excalibur. Oh, wait, for Obsidian.md. Oh, interesting. Mind mapping in Obsidian Canvas. That's another way to do it. Mind map builder. Wait, so this one's from 2 months ago. How old is this one? 2 months ago. Is this using the same freaking plugin? It does look really nice though. I mean, using Excalibur. I've seen this guy before. Place each word or image on its own branch. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. Let's steal this real quick. Always start with a blank canvas. Draw a picture or place the main idea in the center. Use images, symbols, and codes. Communicate ideas. I don't know what that means. Keywords and capitalize them for emphasis. Place each word or image on its own branch. Radiate branches from center so the map is roughly balanced. Keep the branches roughly the same length. Use colors to group things together. Use arrows to connect lines for emphasis. Aim for clarity with positioning of nodes. Mindnode.com. Download. Oh, interesting. Free mind mapping, import, export, secure and private, outlining. Apple Intelligence, App Store. Oh, it's only on Mac OS. Bummer. Bummer. However, we could try this later. I can try this when I go to my other computer. Subscription now. Interesting. So only thing we're missing is outlining, Apple Intelligence. Oh, AI brainstorming. Connections. Link otherwise unrelated ideas. That sounds dumb. Okay, well, whatever. It does look clean as hell, though. Yeah, okay, I don't need the other explanation, but I'm gonna grab this and we're gonna throw this in my notes. The ultimate guide to mind mapping. This is cool. um it was mindnode.com, right? Yeah. So that's fine. Mind map software. Canva mind map maker. I just want something that does it like easily, like this guy was showing. Xmind. Create with AI. Xmind free. Request a demo. Xmind. No complex setup, no switching tools. Plan in a map breakdown with AI, tracking Gantt, and sync with your favorite apps. You don't want to do that. That's a bounce for me. This looks pretty basic. Limited functionality, no ads, registration. Intuitive mind map. They're probably also going to want me to sign up. Choose a platform, Mac OS. Wow. Only Apple people mind map, I guess. I mean, whatever. Sign up for free. Collaborative mind mapper. Needs an email address. Start for free. So we're gonna back out of this because this is a clear rabbit hole that gets me nowhere. What I will try. What's this thing called? Obsidian Mind Map plugin. I just need to know how to use the darn plugin. Obsidian Canvas. I mean, this is fair. I could just use this. Mark Mind. This is what I needed. Mark Mind. Okay, it's not the same plugin. Oh, that is the same plugin. Oh, here we go. That was a different one. Shininda initial. So sound Gameplay. Oh, this is pretty good. He could just select the whole thing and keep hitting Shift Tab until it's backed up in time. Oh, this seems pretty cool. Tab. Actually, gameplay. Sounds, we need attack. Oh, I see. Attack, throw, jump. Oops. Music. All right. Then we've got menu. Oops. Level. Mark Mind, I think, is just the format. No, you can buy it for $16. Let's just watch what he does here real quick. Rich. Foundry. Are these clickable? What the fuck? Oh, it supports Markdown. So that means in here, or maybe better, butt cheeks that you. No. No. Oh yeah, that's cool. That means I can do Markdown. Oh, that's very cool. Okay, let's mess around with this for a bit. Just get my ideas down. Okay, so gameplay sounds that need to be done. Right. Create sound player API, right? And should this be here or should this be its own node? Oh, can you not move nodes around? I thought you could. Maybe it's automatic in this basic version. Oh, that's okay. So we have gameplay, we've got sound. Bugs. Bugs is part of gameplay, right? Bugs feel. Bugs feel features. Or mechanic. All the mechanics are done, right? Bugs feel. Yeah. Jump feels too jittery. Like maybe gravity's not good. So what I am going to do is I'm going to go to projects, glove. I don't have any other projects. Let's go project. We're going to add Shedinja. Oh, I see. Wait, what? Oh, I see what happened. Oops. That's why it's like randomly showing crap in here. I don't even remember how I set this up. Name, status, type, tags, priority. I wish I could just copy it from there. I could duplicate this project. More settings. Location, include subfolders, data source folder. As default. I just delete project. Yes. Let's duplicate the project. And edit project. And then when we go into projects, it's still going to here. Then we go here. Oh, beautiful. See what we did there? Just changing the folder made it source a different area. Oh. That doesn't help me at all. Wait a minute. All my fields are gone. Bruh. Okay. Projects. Yes. I think because it doesn't exist, maybe. Yeah. And then what the heck? Let's go spelunking. What's in here that's giving this all its information? Like, where are those fields coming from? Is what I want to know. Is it just the notes themselves? Right? Like, look at all this tags, all this stuff. Is this why? If I go to, I don't know if I copied that. I did. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see. I just didn't have any notes in here. Okay. Everything is in here. I just needed to add stuff. Okay, so we can rename this note. I think. Status this week. Maybe? How do I how do I change the name? I guess I have to rename the file, right? What do we call this? Redo gravity. And this is a dev task. Type tags task enhancement. Right, and we can add a couple other things to the backlog. Attack, sound, templates task. But it's really be sound, right? Well, actually, it's not. Problem is, it's not dev. It's sound, and it is a task. So that puts it over to the soundboard. Oh, that's interesting. Whatever. Attack sound. Yeah, all this other stuff that I'm gonna do here, and we're gonna rename this. How do I rename this? Rename. Right. And then we can go here to today's notes. Oh, that's cool. And we can just go like that. Oh, that's sick. And it's just okay. Release, right? So then what has to be done? Itch make itch.io page. Build Mac OS, Linux, Windows, screenshots, oops, screenshots, gameplay video. Oh, this is cool. So this basically just makes it makes an automatically balanced tree. It just does it. That's pretty sick. Okay, I like this plugin. This plugin's got my vote. I may even pay for this. I don't think I can do. Yeah, I can't move things, and I can't like create connections from one to the other. Yeah, so my options are just limited. I can just jot shit down basically. So what do you have? Gameplay, sound, graphics, right? graphics, and then we would say enemies, items. I think we have most of it done, right? Graphics. Is graphics the right word? Right, it's basically code and media. Right? We could do it like that too. We could say code. Can I like move this to here? Oh, I see. Like that. That's interesting. Yeah, I think this is fine though, the way I have it here. I think most of this stuff is done right now. So anyway, we want to get writing some code here because that's mostly what we do on the stream when we're not just messing around with other plugins and software and installing things. I'm going to use the restroom real quick, but we're going to take a look at Gravity today, see what I can do to make this feel better. Because right now I'm pretty sure I'm using a rigid body and that's why it's like this. But maybe jump feels too jittery, you know, investigate rigid body alternatives or Gravity. How do I edit it? Oh, there we go. Or try tweaking gravity values. Yeah, I might just have to, it might just be like plugging in numbers, you know? There might be no actual code needed there. But we definitely need, we definitely need some stuff done. And under gameplay, let's see, controller support. Controller support for menus. Controller support for menus. Oops. Oh, that's cool. This one, let's put in controller support for menus. Controller layout. Maybe I should just make another node here called controller and just grab these and shove this to the right. So we get the box and then I see how it works. Oh, this is cool. This is very cool. Controller support for menus, controller layout on screen. Or just, yeah. Show layout on screen. Touch, right? Add support for mobile. Add mobile touch support. Cool. Okay, so this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I like this. I like this quite a bit. Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna do some toilet time. Wow. Let's go. Earbuds.